I'm filming this. So, a long time ago, a friend of mine had an idea about a ridiculous, maybe not that ridiculous. Anyway, it's called Bachelor Spatchula, but I thought it would be funnier to call it Spatchulor Batchula. So this is Spatchulor Batchula, episode 1. We actually did, well, I did a test episode, God, I don't know, like 4 years ago now, but all things take time, all good things take time, so here we are. And 4 years ago, we didn't have AI to tell me what to cook. So anyway, I've been feeling like I'm relying too much on tried and true recipes that I know to cook myself, as well as just convenience store food, which is no good. I wanted to change that up. So I asked AI. Guess which one? ChatGPT, duh. There's that other one though that does recipes apparently, but I didn't bother. I haven't really thought about this very much. Anyway. So, I've been making a lot of tzatziki sauce recently. I wanted something good to go along with that. So I asked AI again, what do I make? I was like, alright, how about some... I also said I like brown, I'm big into brown rice right now. So, I came up with something involving kale and tomatoes and sprouted brown rice and some other stuff. Oh, red onions and everything. So I'm gonna throw all that together. Oh, tofu. That was the protein. I think seared tofu. So I'm gonna throw all of that stuff together and do some other shit while I'm preparing that, such as modifying the pickles that I'm currently making. One of them is going well, the other one, not so much. I like to see carbonation, and one of them is not bubbling. So I'm going to add some sugar to that one to see what happens. And then also, many more unexpected twists and turns are bound to come. So, stay tuned, and keep watching, or whatever the fuck you say. This is Spatchulor Batchula.